more pictures of me all bundled
Seriously,
up.
guys, this is enough snow to make a snow fort.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
you
you
got
got
one
enough
year
snow
ago.
back here. It's recording.
What are you gonna do?
Record her getting soaked.
Okay,
So you're gonna belly pop out the porch?
It's recording.
Yes.
Ready? Let's go.
Ready for this?
Oh, I wouldn't belly flop.
Oh, look what I did.
I kind of want you. So I'm going to go into it.
Well, if you fall into the snow, you're kind of gonna die.
I know, but I'm gonna do it anyway.
How the heck?
Okay, this way's not safe.
How the heck is my big butt supposed to get back up there?
I'm going to go around.
I would say it's probably best.
Get my camera case to jump on the floor.
Actually, I can't get up there. But
We gotta do it though.
okay, I'm gonna push pause on this.
Just remember, we do have stuff inside there.
How do I pause it?
Hit the button.
Yep.